Hi everyone, we are Group 22 for the CSC 510 Software Engineering course. We are working on creating an application called AFAA, abbreviated for American Football Analytics Application. In a regular football game, there are about 30 to 35 plays played by special teams. Each play involves 22 players in 22 different positions. This results in numerous player position combination which makes the position-based analysis tedious and difficult. Moreover, tracking details of how each player performed in different positions is even tougher. This makes the life for football coaches very hard. Wouldn't it be a nice idea to have a summarized visualization of the game, something from which coaches can quickly infer vital statistics of players for each position? Enter AFAA. Our application takes a pre-formatted data file of a single football match, munches the data, generates position-based metrics, and projects them on play formation images. As for an example, kickoff is one of the 6 special team plays in American football. In this image, we have provided details about which players were present on which positions, for how many times, and what is their overall performance rating. As for an example, on position R1, the player 21 was present twice and his overall rating is 0. We intend to design a web application that outputs data analysis for all the 6 special team plays in American football. All the coaches need to do is just upload a pre-formatted Excel file containing the game data. They will be able to see the summary visuals for that particular match as the output. Now let's talk about the reasons to pick this project. Currently, NC State football coaches are performing all the analysis manually. A finished application will be a great help to them. This application solves real-life issues that can save coaches a lot of time and make a difference. The project uses familiar frameworks and has good documentation. Hence, it makes it easy to jump quickly on it and start working. As a part of Project 1, we will be able to make a running application ready. Hence, Project 2 teams can easily focus on adding the features to an already working application. As a part of Project 1, we have created a basic version of the application which takes an Excel file as input, does the analysis, and renders the output images on the front end. We are using Vue.js to design the front end. In the backend, data manipulation, analysis, and visualization is done using Python and its libraries, NumPy, Pandas, and Pillow. Currently, the application is configured to generate 3 play images. This can be taken as reference and similar logic can be applied to generate the other 3 play types as well. A core functionality to process multiple game data files needs to be added. Finally, the application needs to be deployed into AWS or any other cloud-based platform. Feel free to reach out to us in case of any questions. Thank you.